Pat Pattison with the best of California here in San Luis Obispo with artist Sharzhad at the Mission Plaza, and she has an installation here that's incredible, has cultural overtones, religious, spiritual. Sharzhad, how long is this here? How long is this installation going to be up?
So it'll be up until August 27th with a closing performance August 28th.
Give me the name again.
Of the performance? Oh, Untitled VI.
Untitled VI, and it's like a Stonehenge. Explain that to me.
So the viewer is supposed to interact with the sculptures and stand in the center, and they are meant to be a cleansing element, similar to this kind of divine mystery that surrounds Stonehenge.
And your mom inspired you with the evil eye emblem she has in the home. Explain that.
So the Nazir is otherwise known as the evil eye, and it's supposed to ward off evil spirits and evil look, and so that theme reoccurs in 3 of the 6 structures.
Wow. So Sharzhad, this piece, explain this piece to me.
So this is a smiley face. And I've accentuated the eye on this side to continue the theme of the Nazir. Okay. But you'll also notice that his eyes...
Wait a minute, a smiley face with an evil eye. Now this is conceptual art right there.
Oh, you can also see the other eye through the eye hole.
Wow. So cool. Now I got to ask, what is this all made of?
So... I'm so glad you asked that, because there was so much work that went into the skeleton and the bones of these pieces. These are 1/4-inch hot-rolled steel rod armatures. So these are welded. Everybody has a welded skeleton. Wow. And so that was really work-intensive. Once we got the approval, it was a 3-month race to get everything done. So we were teaching friends how to weld. And they were coming over to the shop. Yep. We had
a Jeff Koons thing. Yes. You come in and let's manufacture something.
Get this art done. So that was really fun.
And then is this concrete or?
So that's a really great observation. This is called hydrocal. Okay. So it's stronger than plaster, but it doesn't include an aggregate as you would in concrete, and it also is white. So it absorbs color better.
And you have your own studio in Los Osos.
Yes.
And I know the Arts Council is involved.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about that.
So SLO County Arts I'm in partnership with them for this pop-up. A big shout out to them and to the city of San Luis Obispo and the downtown for allowing this to happen, and Carson Butler Events. So yes, my studio's in Los Osos. What did I miss there?
And we'll show a little bit of her process, and also thank you, Jacqueline, who's with the Chamber of Commerce,
Jackie,
for putting us together.
Thank you, Jackie.
Thank you. And so now, is this an ongoing thing for you? What is your professional arc with this kind of thing?
Well, so it's funny because I've worked with Neil and Adel from the SLO Arts Council on projects before. I did a performance at the local library. That's how I know Adel, and did a group show that Neil curated in 2018. So there's all these overlapping histories. My own work is... I like to work with members of the community, and,
But is public art primarily your goal, or what else?
Well, that's a really good question. I
mean, we can't go buy little toys of all these places somewhere. I'm Disney merchandising guy. I always think that. How can you turn this into tchotchkes to buy? That's just me, but I'm sorry.
I actually do have small versions of these. So there you go. But this is my first public work on this scale of specifically sculptures. But a lot of the performance that I've done, I believe that art should be accessible to everyone. So really thinking about what it means to make art outside of the institution or the gallery, so that people that may not have access or feel like they don't have an entry point for the art world can experience art.
Maybe not hanging out at the museums and the galleries, but they're here as tourists, and here you are.
For everybody. Art is for everybody.
Right. Art for everybody. Well, on that, Pat Pattison with the best of California here with Sharzhad. And how long is this here?
So this will be up until August 27th.
August 27th. Come down and take a look at it. And we'll give you Sharzhad's information down here below. Pat Pattison with the best of California. Talk to you soon.